going on? I'm Steve, and I'm not gonna lie, I filmed this video once before and I had to trash it. I promised that I was gonna teach this lesson in under 60 seconds, and I realized it probably takes 2 or 3 minutes. Not because it's that crazy, it's just sort of complicated. You gotta work on all these different frets up here, but I'm gonna show you fast. It's easy and fun. So hit like if you like surf music, and let's get this thing. It's C major, it goes da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, F major, C major, da-da-na-na-na-na-na, G major, F major, C major, G major. Those are the chords, but the rocking part, if you want to really sort of play it in probably the easiest possible way, you go. Now I'm hitting pretty close to the bridge over here just to get a little bit of twang to it because I'm on an acoustic guitar. If you got a surf guitar, something like this, you know, an old Jaguar or Mustang, but so basically you do the same pattern over and over again on these 2 strings, then you move the same pattern on these 2 strings, back to these 2 strings, and then you move up 2 frets on these 2 strings. So you're really almost learning one pattern, but that's where it gets complicated. So 10th fret of the A string, 8th fret of the D string, then to the 9th, then to the 10th fret right there of the D string. So that's the A on the 10th, 8th fret of the D string, 9th, 10th fret 3 times on that D string, and then you go down to the 8th again, and back to the 10th fret of the A string. So that's what you cycle through, ready? Not that hard, right? Well, if you get going faster, what your mind might start to do is go. But you don't want to go back. When you're walking back down, you skip that 9th fret right there. So one more time. Okay, then basically take these 2 strings and go up to these frets right here. So you're on the 10th fret this time of the D string. So it's the exact same thing we just did, but this time 10th of the D to the 8th of the G, 9th, 10th of the G, and now you go back down to the 8th. And then that's the 10th of the D. So same exact thing. But the moment you hit that, after doing it twice, you got to quickly lift it off and go back to the 10th and do that same first one again. But the moment you hit that, you got to get to the 12th fret of the D string and do the same thing we just did again. Just now you're on the 12th of the D, 10th of the G string, 11th, 12th of the G, back to the 10th, and hit that twice this time on the 12th of the D string, and then go like this, ready? 12th, 11th of that G string, but now you got to get right here to the 10th fret of the G string, to the 8th, back to the 10th of the D string. See, I'm getting confused. D string, and then you start it over again. Back on the 10th of the A string, 8th of the D, 9th. That's 3 times on the 10th of the D, and back to the 8th of the D string. Hit that twice on the A string, 10th fret. And this time you go one last little thing here on the 10th of the D, 8th of the D, and then 10th of the A, like that. Now, sounds crazy, but let me give you it all. Ready? All right, I hit a C major on the, 8th fret, right there to pop it off. It's amazing how complicated that is and how intricate it is, and I'm amazed that they pulled it off on the record and even live without making too many mistakes. Okay, give me some more suggestions for surf music. Hit like if this was helpful. I'd love you to do that, and I'll catch you next time for some more short videos. See ya.